We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother HL-3075. We're going to show you how to replace and reset your belt unit. So if you've been getting a replaced belt unit or belt unit low message, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure the printer is powered off. The power switch is located on the back, the right side of the printer. Once the printer powers off, then you're going to open up the top of the printer and you're going to remove all the toners and drums. Take them all out and make sure you set them on a clean, dry, flat surface. I'm just going to get them all out here. Okay, so once you have all your drums and toners out of the printer, you'll see a big green handle at the front. What you're going to want to do is just grab that big green handle and you're going to pull straight up and out. And you want to be really careful to kind of avoid anywhere on the belt unit. This green handle is where you want to handle it. So once you have it removed and you have the new one unboxed and ready to go, you're going to take your new belt unit and carefully slide it back into the printer. Again, only using the green handle. You want to be very careful not to touch any of the belt itself. Any kind of fingerprints or contamination off the belt can cause print defects. So you want to make sure that you're really careful when you're handling the belt unit. Once the belt unit kind of clicks down into place, we can go ahead and replace all of our drums and toners. Go ahead and close the top of the printer back up. And now you can power the printer back on. Again, it's on the front or the back of the right side of the printer. And once the printer comes to a full ready state, you're going to use the little arrows to go down and find the machine info tab. Hit OK. Then you're going to scroll down until you find reset parts life. Hit OK again. And you'll find an option for belt unit. Go ahead and select belt unit and hit OK. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to replace belt unit? Hit OK one more time. And that should reset your belt unit. So now you've successfully replaced and reset your belt unit, so that'll take care of that error message and keep you up and running. So thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.